Drones are undoubtedly a force in technology that is to be reckoned with, and tactic air drones are no different. Not only do they have multiple uses, they are representative of the wider state of technology in the world at large. Symbolic or not, drones will continue to shape our lives. In this tactic air drone review, I will discuss everything about this product so that you can make your buying decision wisely. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is it? The Tactic drone is a product by the company Hyper SLS Limited. Not only is the tactical air drone a new model of drone that stands out from the competition, it is equipped with very special features that can provide utility and fun to whatever you are using your drone for. Not only does the Tactic drone have geometric precision, it offers the ability to shoot video in 4K resolution. This will allow you to capture professional level footage for a fraction of the usual price. This flying camera is lightweight and durable, making it perfect for adventures. It can be used in a variety of ways, from helping you watch over your property to shooting some awesome aerial shots for your movie. Whatever you are looking for, this drone can provide it. Specifications: weight 3 fan speed, battery 1 3.7 V 1800 mAh LiPo built-in 3.7 V 350 mAh, charging time 20 to 25 mins, camera quality 4K UHD, flying distance 150 meters to 200 meters. Key features: HD camera at front, standard 480p camera underneath, intelligent flight modes, foldable design, 20 minutes flight time. Tactic air drone camera. The Tactic air drone comes with dual cameras. The main HD camera is at the front, while a 480p camera is placed on its belly. The HD camera can be tilted 90 degrees via the remote, and the lens has a 120 degrees FOV to give you a wide field of view. This is the best feature of this drone, and the picture and video quality is decent for something that costs less than $100. You can live stream video footage to your smartphone and edit and share video and pictures on social media via the drone app. Intelligent flight modes. Intelligent flight modes used to be only available on the more expensive drone models. Fortunately, drone technology is growing at a rapid pace that even cheap drones like the Tactic air drone now comes with intelligent flight modes that make it easier and more fun to fly. Follow me mode. In this flight mode, you set the drone to lock onto your position and follow you around. The drone sensors locks onto the transmitter and automatically follows whoever is carrying it. This is a really cool flight mode, and you can impress family and friends with it. It will also allow you to take cool selfies and record your every move. A cool flight mode to use when you go on a hike or when riding your bike. Trajectory mode. This is a truly hands-free flight mode. Within the drone app, you can draw a flight path, and the drone will follow that path and come back to you. Both these flight modes are easy to use and great for beginners. You can use the camera in both modes, so you can record and take images far more easily. Gesture control. Another cool feature of this drone is that you can control the drone through simple hand gesture. Although this feature only works when the drone is in close proximity, it's a great way to pictures, especially selfies. Remote control. The Tactic air drone controller is small and comfortable to use. All the controls are easy to reach, and there is smartphone attachment on the bottom. It has one button for takeoff and landing and one button for taking videos and images. It has a range of around 100 meters, which isn't amazing, but it is in the usual range for drones in its price range. You can also control the drone via its app, which can be used for Android devices. The app gives you more features you can play with, like the intelligent flight modes I mentioned, and also allows you to stream live video feed to your smartphone. Flight time. For a budget-friendly drone, the Tactic air drone comes with a surprising long flight time. You can get around 15 to 20 minutes on one charge. For a drone under $100, that is pretty good. You should be aware that flight time is reduced if you fly in windy conditions. The drone is small and lightweight, and I would advise anyone who isn't experienced to not fly this drone in harsh weather. Charging the drone takes over 2 hours, which is a bit of a letdown because currently you cannot purchase extra batteries separately. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the Tactic Air drone, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.